Welcome to LinguaQuest English, where we unlock your potential to speak English with confidence, purpose, and clarity. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest struggles for English learners, IELTS speaking. More specifically, why so many people fail it and what you can do differently to stand out. Let's get started. Most students don't fail IELTS speaking because their English is bad. They fail because they sound unnatural. They memorize answers, they use complicated words they don't fully understand, and they forget one important thing. The examiner is a human being, not a robot. IELTS speaking is not about using the biggest words, it's about communicating your ideas clearly, confidently, and naturally. You don't have to sound like a native speaker. You just have to sound like the best version of yourself. Let's face it, when you say something like, I am fond of traveling because it broadens my horizons, you might think it sounds smart. But the truth is, the examiner has heard that same sentence hundreds of times. It sounds rehearsed, not real. Instead, say something like, I love traveling. It opens my mind and helps me see how different people live. See the difference? It's still fluent, but now it feels natural and personal. That's what examiners love. So what makes a Band 7 speaker? There are three pillars you must remember: fluency, vocabulary, and authenticity. Let's break them down. Fluency means speaking smoothly and confidently. Don't rush. Don't panic when you pause. Pauses are natural. It's better to speak slowly and clearly than to speak fast and make mistakes. Vocabulary doesn't mean using fancy words, it means using the right words. Instead of saying a plethora of opportunities, you can simply say many opportunities. Instead of ameliorate, say improve. Simple English that communicates your message is much more powerful. And then there's authenticity. This is what most students ignore. Authenticity means speaking honestly. Talk about your real experiences, real thoughts, and real feelings. When your answers sound true, your score rises naturally. Here's a simple daily routine that can change your speaking in just 1 week. Step 1. Pick one IELTS speaking question. For example, describe a person who inspires you. Step 2. Record yourself answering it for 1 minute. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak naturally. Step 3. Listen to your recording. Notice which words you repeat too much, like actually or you know. Try to replace them next time. Step 4. Record again, but this time speak with a little smile. Yes, even if no one can see you. When you smile, your voice sounds more confident and warm. This simple routine trains your fluency, confidence, and pronunciation, all at once. Now, here's something most IELTS students never realize. IELTS speaking is not just a language test, it's also a confidence test. You're being evaluated on how comfortably you communicate under pressure. If you walk in nervous and tense, your English will sound robotic. But if you stay calm and treat it like a friendly conversation, you'll automatically sound fluent, confident, and expressive. So the next time you sit for the IELTS test, don't think, I'm being tested. Think, I'm having a conversation about my ideas. That mental shift alone can boost your score dramatically. At LinguaQuest English, the goal is simple: to help you speak naturally, not perfectly. Because perfect English is boring, natural English is powerful. So stop memorizing model answers. Start practicing real conversations. And remember, confidence is not about knowing every word. It's about expressing your thoughts with honesty and ease. You've got this. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop exploring your English potential. Thank you for listening to LinguaQuest English. See you in the next episode. See you.